So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy live feed not loading. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, you just follow this video. First of all, check network and the Wi-Fi. So guys, live stream will fail to load if your signal is too weak or if the camera is disconnected from your router. Then guys, move the camera closer to your router or bring it into the indoor temporary to test the connection. And ensure your router is in broadcasting on a 2.4 GHz network. Birdfy camera do not support 5 GHz network. Okay, turn on your phone to 2.4 GHz mobile hotspots and try to connecting your Birdfy to it. If it is load, the issue is with your home Wi-Fi. Then guys, check the power and the battery status. So guys, low battery can disable the Wi-Fi and cause the live feed to disconnect the preserve power. So bring the camera indoor and fully charge it. If it is dead, so charge it fully before attempting to turn it back on. Then guys, app updates and server outage. Sometimes the issue is not on your end but stem from a temporary cloud server outage or outdated application version. So you go to your device app and ensure you have the latest version of the Birdfy app and to install, and you clear the cache. So on Android, you simply go to the setting, app and Birdfy and clear the cache. On iOS, offload, you reinstall the app. Then factory reset. For factory reset, find the reset button located near the USB port and you use the paper clip or include reset pin and press and hold it for 7 to 10 seconds until the camera chime or resets. Then guys, open the Birdfy app to add devices and follow on screen instruction to pair your camera again. So guys, these are the things that you can try, and guys, thank you.